Hi friends, coarsely grind the cashews and the almonds and keep it aside, and then add the 3 bananas, peeled bananas, into the jar. Along with that, add brown sugar and then add little milk and blend it into a smooth paste. And don't add all the milk at the same time when you blend. Slowly blend it, adding all the milk, and then collect it in the glass and garnish with the coarsely grinded nuts and brown sugar, and enjoy your milkshake, which is a healthy one for everyone who is watching there. This is a good energy drink. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.